So there's not a hard and fast number like 590 or whatever that we're
No,
looking
no,
at at this
every lender
point.
is going to be a little bit different. Currently, we're lending as low as 490, and that's just some of the restrictions that we have with, like, warehouse lines and other stuff that we're dealing with. So I mean, that's what we are. But as like an industry standard, it's just kind of up in the air. Now, there are some things that are difficult right now. Like, for instance, if you're over 80% on a purchase transaction, or a rate term refinance, and you have below a 600 credit score, the mortgage insurance companies are having a difficult time keeping up with the change in guidelines and how that's going to impact their pricing. So, like, there could be some roadblocks along the way right now because this is relatively new, industry wide. So we're all kind of working through it. And, if you're not at a 490 right now, I mean, we've got borrowers who've applied that are at a 460 or a 430. And because of, one thing or another. And I don't tie that against the borrower to say, oh, well, you're bad. Like, you're not taking care of yourself. You're not taking care of your finances, because I don't know their situation.
Right.
None of us do. And we don't want to hold that number against them. We want to say that as an industry, we have to improve your score to a point where we can lend against it. So let us, regardless of what happened, let us help you get to at least 500. And I mean, right now, as a pipeline as a whole, 55% of our pipeline is below a 600. So of the borrowers we're serving, over half of them are in that 500 credit score range. So we are very comfortable in this and working with credit challenged borrowers.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, that's just, it's life changing for people to be able to do that for them.